DPRO up roughly 28%. This is Tuesday, the 30th of September 2025. Intraday high in this regular session, $9.18. The stock is equally trending strongly right now as we speak. After news broke that the US Army has selected the company to supply advanced drone systems. Some of the topics driving the chatter or behind the trend is the company's or the stock's tight float and high short interest. Traders are watching closely for a potential short squeeze given the stock's low float and heavy short positions. There's also defense exposure. Bullish sentiment is fueled by the company's involvement in the US defense sector, obviously. Its demonstrations at Pentagon events and potential benefits from US government restrictions on foreign drone competitors like DJI. Okay, there's also anticipation of upcoming earnings. Investors are eager to see whether contract details and revenue growth will be reflected in the company's next earnings disclosures, which could further validate the bullish share case. So yeah, that's what we're looking at right now. It's been trending for some hours now. The extrapolation on its 3-day moving average is saying that the strength will remain in place up till Thursday, the 2nd of October. And after that, we may have a contraction of this expansion that has been in place since the 23rd of August. Yeah, yeah. Underlying trend is a bullish one. Yeah, very strongly bullish. The 200-day moving average, this one, which underscores the underlying trend, is sloping bullishly upwards. However, we don't have any upward projections on this daily chart. Rather, we have a downward projection of 6.59. But we know we have one here, 9.18. So it was rejected at this intraday high. So since it couldn't surpass it, it forms a resistance that it has to demonstrate. It has the capability of surpassing. So it is an upper projection, if you like. Okay, so let's have a look at the price pressure momentums. They're all robustly trending. The 10 and 21-day moving averages, they are robustly trending. I believe that will easily be the case with its 40 and 200-day moving average. We're not looking at them right now. Okay, so the gain is now 32%. Yeah, am I right? Yeah, 32%. But intraday high just been surpassed. You can see that. Just changed from 9.18 to 9.22, then to 9.25. Fascinating stuff. So some might say short squeeze may be going on. That's possible. Yeah. On this 4-hour chart, the extrapolation is saying that from the close of today's trading session, they may consolidate and contract slightly going into Thursday's pre-market session, and then in that regular session, the expansion may continue. Okay, so price pressure momentums are robustly bullish. Nothing here is negative at all. Selling pressure is within. It's going on as well, but not enough to get anything negative at all. So um, this is not exactly the best time to be buying. Even though of course some people are buying anyway. So let's just see what's going on, how active this market is. Yeah, you can see how aggressive the market is. How yeah. But at the same time, it looks quite liquid as well. You can see selling. You can see that how the sellers are. They are yeah. Short sellers are here. They are. Well, indeed also profit takers as well. Yeah, they are really trying their best to redirect the direction, the trajectory to the downside. Buyers are here now. Buyers are the ones they've taken over now. Yeah. Okay. Selling is in progress. Yeah, it's moved up to the upside. The fact we can see orders on varying prices indicates that there's liquidity in the midst of the aggression going on. Yeah, it's good to see the liquidity. It's good for some, but aggression. If it's just a case of strictly aggression, and you're already in the stock already, it's that'll be good for you because the price. There's a good chance the price will be going up. Let's just have a look and see how people are placing their orders, what their expectations are. 9.4, 9.44, 9.45. Okay, they're not really expecting a lot as such. Okay, 9.91, 9.92. There they are indeed. 9.99, 10.04, 10.09, 10.13, 10.15, 10.17. Yeah. Okay, something going on there. Yeah, it's really aggressive here. Sellers are here. They have their orders where down has gone through 9.2. Yeah, fascinating stuff. Yeah, quite liquid. You can see the lots going through. Yeah, some might say there's possibly a short squeeze going on. Let's see whether it has whether it's optionable. Let's see. It's optionable. Yes, it's optionable. Let's see whether we can find anything here. This is October 17th. Let's see whether we can find the volumes. Open interest. Yeah. So when these open interests begin to climb, then you know market makers may be forced to begin to consider things. But I can't exactly say if this is at the level where they may start to buy the stock to cover their positions. Yeah. What do we have here? 165.79%. Okay, yeah, that's what's going on right now. DPRO. Let's see what there's a note here. Okay, select. Okay, yeah, that's good. That's what's going on right now. Yeah, just so have a look and see what you make of DPRO stock. And thank you very much for watching this video.